He can't fit. He can't fit.
He can't fit where?
He can't fit old excavators.
Oh.
And bulldozers and backhoes. That's a bulldozer too. That's a bulldozer too.
That is a bulldozer.
He don't have a blade. He don't have a blade.
A blade. Which bulldozer has a blade?
No. There's no blade.
Which bulldozer has a blade?
Oh, wait. Here.
Yeah.
And what's this?
That's the front blade.
Dad, I broke it.
Here, give it to me. I'll fix it.
That. What are these?
Which one is it?
It's a just army.
Which one do you think it is?
It's a...
And the engine's cold tender. Lots of wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It has to be a big one.
This engine is almost the same shape as Edward.
It's not Everett.
Who is it?
Red.
Who is it?
It's just Amy. It's just James.
Yeah, it's who?
It's James.
Yeah, good guessing.